Oh, right. You don't even have the time to call up and ask whether I'm alive or dead, is it? You're so busy?
Who told to lift the gas cylinders? Can't you do the work which you can?
Then who will do all the work, tell me?
How's your pain now? Is it okay?
The leg pain is much better, but the pain in my hip has not decreased.
So your hip is injured. Shall I come and clear it?
Oh my god, you need not trouble yourself so much, okay? Tomorrow, we are going to visit the doctor. Mother has said so.
Our local doctor? No. Please don't go there. You go to some other hospital, okay?
Why? What will happen if I visit this doctor? Everybody has said that this doctor is a very lucky person.
Listen, he is not a lucky man. His behavior is also not good. Please don't go there, okay?
Okay, I will not go, okay?
Okay. In which place the pain is high?
Oh, get lost.
What?
What happened to you, man? In the midnight you are drawing with an empty hand.
Am I drawing? Don't tease me. I'll throw words on you. Much frustration.
I didn't think you are so coward. Remember one thing, a man should have full courage. But you are afraid of each and everything.
What?
From now, don't give such noises. Understand? Ooh, I was afraid of seeing myself. How courageous I am. Avoid all unnecessary things and go to bed, man.
Buddy, that's Stephen, right?
Looks like him, but that's not him.
Oh my god, it is him only. Who is the girl sitting behind him?
Don't bother about them. They are very bad guys. Thanks for your lift. And I will be here only. We can meet up, catch up, and
Sorry,
spend time.
I'm going to the US tomorrow.
Oh, what are you saying? If a girl like you settles in US, what will happen to me?
Oh, no idea. Bye-bye.
Bye?
Bye.
Hey, listen. Hey.
Is it okay for you if we give an answer?
Hi friends. What happened? Why you are saying like this?
You didn't change your habits, isn't it?
Which habit? Hey, I was just waiting for auto. That girl came. She asked me, you are a famous music director, right? I said yes, of course. She said I definitely give you a lift.
Then?
Then I said okay, because I don't want to hurt anyone, right? Whether it may be a girl or someone else.
Hey, the chicken we ate, no. It's not digested properly and it is making sound.
Even myself suffering from acidity.
You started early morning making fun of me. What happened to him? He doesn't look normal.
Last 2 days he's not feeling well, not in the stomach, something else.
Tell me the name of the girl who dropped you.
If I tell the name, you will find in Facebook, huh? I will not tell
won't
you.
come up in your life, man.
Get lost. Hey, what's happened to him?
Hey, he's telling that there's a ghost in his house.
He's a lunatic man. Who believes all these things in these days?
That's what I said.
This is fully maddish thought, man.
Hey,
So
do you know
he's the only
seriousness
one
behind
who
it?
is telling
Hey,
me all these
See, I'm
things.
coming here.
Kanna?
Even he's also saying the same.
Oh, sweet boy, sweet
Kanna,
boy.
where and all I'm searching you.
He's
Come,
a very
let's
sweet
go.
boy.
Come, we'll go.
Take care. Bye.
Oh my god, you should not talk like that. I told you, right?
If it is so.
Okay, let it be there. It is a foolishness.
Hey, come on, trust me. There is something, buddy.
Have you seen?
I haven't, but still I feel something is there.
You're thinking, no? That's only your thinking.
Correct. It is all just rumor, my dear friend. We have not seen yet a single ghost.
Don't tell like that. If it appeared means
Open the door, Cece.
go
Hey,
inside.
don't push, man. Close the door, Cece. opened. See what I'm going to do with him tomorrow.
Then we will have a blast tomorrow.
We are reached to our heaven.
Wow, man, what a super house. It's really awesome, man. You are living in a heaven, man.
That's it. There is a proverb about it, isn't it?
Correct. This is what? For my friends, I have specially brought this drink for you. La 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 la.
Didn't expect, man. I really didn't expect, man. Oh my body, I love you.
Hey, leave me.
I know, man. You won't come with an empty hand.
What is this, man?
I won't give this. I won't give this to anyone.
Don't get emotional. Don't get emotional.
This story is regarding a dam.
Damn.
Yes, till now no serial has been made on such lines of story. One dam. You're right. One day, this dam is blasted. On that day, when the dam is blasted, people living around there are feeling the suffocation of the air choking over there.
Oh, I am getting suffocated.
Sir, super
Sir,
story,
tell
sir.
me,
Super
tell me,
story.
sir, how do you find the
According to
script, sir? Tell me, how is the script?
According to me, it is a very bad story. What I
Yeah,
say?
I thought of telling this, but you said. Can you make me as a hero? Hey, I'm investing the money. If I become the hero,
Look,
what's your
sir,
problem?
there is no problem, but who will buy the
There
film?
is a shit in the palace.
I want to know what's the problem
I'll
if
tell
I
you.
become
Please
a
sit down,
hero.
sir.
I'm investing. Put a small. Tell me what's the problem if I become the hero.
Please sit down, sir.
We'll change him. We'll change him, bro. I come now. We'll change him.
Man is very
Getting angry.
Hey, look,
He's
man, if
going.
he becomes the hero, there will be no business for the movie.
Even I asked.
He has gone to the bathroom. Do you think that he'll come back?
Hey, look, man, in this film industry, I was the first man to direct the film. How can he reject me?
Tell me if I become the hero, what's your problem? Tell me. I want to know that. Hey, heroine? Heroine? I'm producer. Going to become a hero. Hey girl, what's your name?
Who are you? Huh? Tell me, how you came here? Are you here to steal something? Huh? You are the main reason behind all these problems, right? God, I was thinking it was due to a spirit. Hey, talk to me. Come out.
What are you doing?
Oh my God.
My name is Stephen Raj. My dear friend Vinod,
Huh?
just
What?
1 minute. With whom you are talking?
That is, I was on a phone call, buddy.
Oh, then it's okay. You do one thing. You talk in this phone. I understand all the things, my dear friend.
What do you understand?
You are still in the party mood, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly the same.
That's why I say you don't drink. Do you understand?
That's okay, buddy.
you do
you
your
carry
job.
on with your work.
La 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 la. Hey, who closed this door?
Hey, come on, move.
Why are you blocking me, man? I have to change my dress. Move away.
No need to dress today, okay?
Even my innerwears are
No
there.
need to wear inners, okay?
See, man, you are really irritating me. I don't like anybody interrupting in my business.
I've thrown some medicine to kill the cockroaches inside. If you open the door, it will come outside, okay? If you want, use my inners, okay?
I don't think your inner
telling you
suits
right,
me.
go.
Why are you pushing me? You are behaving like that I am your enemy. Listen to one thing. Whichever property I use, I won't give it to anyone. So, from today, what are all the properties of yours is belongs to me. So you should not ask anything back again. Huh? This is my last word. Keep it in your mind. Don't take more leniency.
Come on. Will you trust me now? I'm really confused how she is living in this cupboard at present.
In this cupboard?
No dear, in this flat.
Ah.
It's because of her disturbances only. I thought some ghost is living in this flat. Really, she disturbed a lot, you know.
Anyway, we should appreciate her courage. Only men are living in this flat. See how she's hiding without getting sighted. Hey, did you ask her something?
No, she is not at all answering any of my questions.
I think she don't know English. Like this, last week in my uncle's house, a Bengali girl came to steal. My uncle caught her red-handed. But police arrested my uncle only.
Why?
My uncle gave a robbery complaint on her. But she gave a rape case on my uncle.
God.
Then what? Bro, she is also going to be like that. So we should handle this very patiently. We should not get caught. You do one thing. You know Hindi. You deliver 2 Hindi dialogues. I support you.
No, I don't know that much Hindi.
Bro, I'm with you. You start here.
Hey, ladiki,
Very good, bro.
तुम हमारा कमरे में क्यों?
Oh,
हाँ, हो.
क्या हमको दुम्त देता है?
तुम चुप रहो.
I'm not चुप रहो. She is चुप रहो.
हे चोर, तुम चोर, मैं बड़ा चोर.
बिरयानी चोर.
I know English.
Bro, she knows English. We can use a Hindi later on in some other occasion. Then why you didn't talk till now? You come out of that. Are you coming or should I call police?
I myself don't know who I am. I don't know how I came here, for how many days I'm here. I know nothing. I have not come here to bother anyone. I have no place to go. That's why I've come here.
Then you stay here.
Hey, no problem here. And she's lying now. She has to get out from here. Hey, come on, get out.
Go.
Come on.
Come. Hey, be careful. Hey, you fell down while pulling her down. Come on, get up.
I'm okay. First of all, she... Where is she?
Where's she gone? I think after hearing your Hindi...
No chance. She will be here somewhere. She's a thief. Hey, where are you? Come outside.
What is this? She's trying to fool me. Hey, bro.
Not here also. Where she has gone? Where she would have gone?
We know.
Huh?
She has gone, yeah. Even I feel tired.
Why did you switch on the TV? Mother!
Please listen to what I have to say.
No!
Oh,
Hey, you didn't get any other place to hide?
No! I was here
find
first
this
of all. You
place.
get out.
please listen to what I'm saying.
Oh, I'm tired. Water. Bro. Water. Give me water. Water. Give me water. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Buddy, give me some water.
Sit down. Please listen to what I'm saying.
Bro, she's really a ghost.
Hey, I already told you, right? Something is here.
You shut your mouth. Because of you, I am suffering all this. God, why my end is in the hands of a ghost?
Buddy, if you die, that's not a problem. But just think about me. Recently, I got engaged. My paru will be a widow before the marriage itself. Then I will be an orphan. Do you know that?
Why, bro? Why she's not talking anything?
She might be thinking whose blood will be tastier at this time.
What's your blood group, bro? A or B?
B. What, dude?
She'll drink half of my blood.
Why?
My blood group is
My
A,
dear,
bro.
This ghost will drink all kind of blood.
I feel so bad. Please don't talk like this. I'm not that kind of person.
Not like that. Then which kind of person?
Bro,
Huh?
the ghost is crying. See, ghost, don't cry. Telling you no, don't cry.
Listen, my dear ghost, please don't cry.
See, I think she is a very innocent
Exactly,
ghost.
dude. Why? What happened for you?
I don't know anything. I've been thinking about this for a couple of days. But I don't know how I came here.
Okay, what is ghost name?
I don't even know that.
Before us, there was a doctor family who stayed here.
Is it?
1 minute, I'll be back.
I'll also come to help you. He left me alone and gone. Oh my god. This is all very important for my bro. He can't sleep without this. I take this also.
These things belongs to the doctor family. Everyone died in an accident. But after a long time only, his elder daughter died. My guess is that elder daughter will you... Huh?
Hello? I'm in our guest house. You just keep the phone down. I got a very important work. You don't worry. We'll take a decision, okay? Shall we go? We'll go and come back.
We will be back soon, okay?
We'll take a decision, okay?
Bye.
Bro, what's
Oh my
happening
god, what's
here?
happening here?
See, man, they are saying there is a ghost here. What do you think?
Where?
That's what I am asking you.
Yeah, we have to mix that spirit into Jack Daniels.
No, man. Sudhir doesn't believe in this all. Now he is also believing in this.
Yeah, that Vinu changed his mind by saying some rubbish.
Hold this for a second.
Okay.
One
Suddenly what
or
happened to
two.
him?
1 or 3.
Oh, that's why.
Oh my god.
This is the lady you mentioned about?
You just go that side, man. You doesn't have that talent, man.
Oh.
116, 117, 118, 119, 150. First I used to do 200.
What happened right now?
I don't know what happened. But I wish I could do more. Auntie, you need any help?
No need, bro. My better off is coming.
What? What is your butter up?
See you got a choice, it's either this or that. Go mess with my friends, I'ma catch your head off. Go quick, go in and ask them to put your brains off.
Look at this man.
What happened, Subbu?
Nothing, Samu. These brothers are helping me, that's it.
Oh, is it? That's nice.
It's been
No
easy.
problem, guys.
He is more helper than me. You little creep. God grace me escaped minutely.
He is that man that he was telling about? Your husband?
Yes, he only. His name is Samuel Anderson. Shorta used to call Samun I will call.
Do you know English very well?
No. He is from America. He just came here to do a research.
You are Indian, he is American. How can it be possible?
For us, love marriage. We connected with Facebook, but we had a problem in our home. Few days before only, all the problems got solved. Recently only, we got married.
It's done, honey.
I'm coming, Samu. We'll meet some other day. Bye.
Bye, auntie.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Big Sam.
What happened, man? You tried your level best to attract her. But after seeing Sam, I think your battery was down.
Hey, I was just kidding, man. Nothing
I
like
know that you know. If you tried that, Andy, Mr. Samuel Anderson take a rod and drill you, man. It is my word. Take it for granted. One thing is true, man. Even though you are a fraud, your music is very class, buddy.
Hey, just go away. I am feeling alone without them, man. I think something had happened to them.
Why are you starting again, man? And one more thing, we need to buy everything which are all required for night.
Yeah, that's correct. Let me hide this one.
Hey, listen. We should not waste the liquor, man. If we waste that means even God will not forgive us. Ping! Hey, I told you no, switch off the TV.
You only said Gopi will off it. You only offed it. Bloody fool.
What I did? When? I
Oh,
don't
great.
think so.
Hello,
Ah.
yeah, Stephen here.
Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Hey, chicka 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 chicka, beat it, ha ha. Chicka 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 chicka, beat it. Today I'm going to face you alone. We are lucky that both guys are not here. Just I will go to kitchen and come back. You should be smart. Beat it, beat it. There is no side dishes.
Huh? God save me.
Ah, yeah, I forgot this. The one I've been styling crazy. The one I've been styling crazy. The one I've been styling. Where is it? Hey, Stephen! Stephen!
Hey, why are
Come
you
here.
shouting, man?
The bottle was here, is missing.
You only kept here. Why are you asking me?
That's why I'm asking you.
What? What, man? Where is it?
Hey, no. Let me explain. I kept the bottle over here. After I went to kitchen,
Yeah.
opened the fridge,
Oh.
took glasses and water.
Really?
Then I kept here. Now bottle was
Yeah.
missing.
Have you shut the door or not?
Oh, that I forgot.
That Bengali must have been taken. Come on, let's go.
We have to break his head, man. That idiot.
Where is he?
Where? Where is he?
Where is he?
He's not
Find
here.
him.
Even here.
Hey, Bengali, where have you gone, man? I have brought it for half a rate. Come on, man. Oh, all has gone. Oh, shit, man.
Is he really escaped?
I think he has escaped.
Oh my God.
Oh,
It's really a big
when
tragedy.
it has been in a half rate, I must have something doubt about him. I bought it for us, man. Why did he escape?
Hey, man, see, bottle is there.
Hey, move. Hey. Who drank this bottle? It's fully empty, man. Oh my God.
Something written over there.
Huh?
Alcohol drinking is injurious to health.
Who has this written? Censor dialogues here right now. Not a single drop left in a bottle. Who drink this bottle? He should be never a good person in life.
Hey, look, cigarette over here.
Huh?
All the 10 cigarettes was crashed, man.
Oh, my cigarettes. Lungs is like a sponge.
All these things can do only by a cruel mind.
Bastard.
Huh?
Huh? My dear friend, I think something is repaired during the wiring of the flat.
Even I have some problem in my stomach also.
I am feeling sleepy, man.
Did you switch off the keyboard or not?
I have done.
Then who is playing it in this midnight?
Shut up, donkey.
Then do one thing. You go and switch off it. I will be here.
Hey, mental. Come, let's go. I think they have said correct only.
Is the spirits don't have any job rather than playing keyboard in this midnight? Come, we'll go and sleep.
He is a fearful man. It's listening. It's not fault. Hey, friend, what happened?
It's true, there is somebody is here. Ya Allah.
Hey, this is not your God. Go.
In case of emergency, we can pray any God. Not only that, Jesus is very kind. He will save all religions.
Don't tell the stories. You leave here.
You leave from here. Our beloved Jesus, please save us. Hey, see that candle is
What
also
is
not
it? It's very
working.
dark.
Bro,
Huh?
you told so many times that is something over here. Now I believe that. Really, there are some spirits. So we should not think about anything. Immediately we have to go from here. Come, we will move.
Hey guys, can't you listen? In this flat there is a spirit.
Yes, man. Ghost.
My dear ghost.
Ghost? My dear
My
ghost.
dear ghost.
This is the ghost who disturbed your sleep yesterday night.
Exactly.
Who? Is this girl?
This is what your problem is.
Oh, this is the girl who died with ulceration.
What?
Yes, man. We saw this type of disease in some movie, no?
Alzheimer's.
Yes, you are right. I think she is died because of that. That's why she couldn't remember anything.
That I don't know. But we promised her that we'll help her. But how?
I already told everything to mom. She is also going to meet an astrologer. Whatever he is saying, we have to do accordingly, buddies.
Okay, what you have decided, you just go. I will not come there. There is no need that I should help her. I have so many years to live.
There won't be any problem. Be courageous.
No, not at all. Don't try to convince me. I am leaving right now. Are you coming with me or
No.
not?
I can't leave a person who is in danger. It is my character. Not only that, a real human being will not leave a person who is in a dangerous condition. So just you go.
So,
So that I'm not coming. If you want to go, go, man.
if you are alive, we will meet
Hey,
definitely.
okay.
Stop.
Go, man. Helping the dead persons. Get lost, man. Lift is not working also.
Brother,
Uh?
where are you going?
Oh, I have missed her.
Oh, you're not talking?
Sham is not there.
No. He likes you very much.
Oh, really?
Auntie?
Such a beautiful face here. Who is this?
My brother daughter, Shenbaram.
Oh.
Yesterday only she
Oh.
came. She will be here only always.
I am also here
Auntie?
only.
Uncle is on the phone. Please come.
Yeah, go.
I got a call. Okay, brother. Somewhere you started, right?
No.
Okay.
I was just going my
okay.
home only.
We'll meet some other time.
Oh, okay. La 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 la. Hey, cute boy. Humpty Dumpty. I am not scared. I have to parcel him first.
But still, he's angry only because of me.
Is he gone? See, within 2 days, he will surely come back. What, bro?
Yeah.
He is such a
He
person.
is always like this
Yeah.
only. See here, he has come.
What, man? You forgot the route.
I cannot leave you, my dear friends, in this danger situation. That's why I am. Now, whatever happens, I will be with you guys. Till I correct that girl, I think I should be here only. Why today so late?
What da? You're not even answering anything? See how rude he is? See, all because of you only. If I'm saying anything, it will become a problem.
Okay. Don't talk too much.
Dad always supposes him. If I talk, there's a problem always.
You better be quiet. I will see.
you gone mad? Mother, come here, please. Give it to me. Ah!
Hey, stay.
Excuse me, what do you want?
I know, there is a girl in this apartment.
Are you the owner?
No, I'm living in the next apartment. I'm sure you people will get caught. Definitely you will get
Go
caught.
back. Go
Hey,
to your apartment
hey,
and come
no,
back when we
hey,
caught
you
man.
will face- He has got a doubt that we are hiding a girl in our apartment. So he is here to check for that girl.
Did they think about us so cheaply?
Okay,
See,
leave it.
what
Hey,
I'm going to...
Come on, buddy. Why are you getting tense?
Hey,
Please
see,
leave
we
it.
should not leave this
Nothing will
like that.
happen.
It will harm you later.
Hey, what they said was right.
What?
Actually, we have a girl here.
Hey, that's a ghost.
Whatever might be. But she is also a girl, right? Don't make it as a big thing. Come on.
Say, but
Relax,
how can they
guys.
talk
Come on.
about us?
Hey, go.
Come on, get
That's
inside.
why I say you don't adopt the spirits. Nothing else. Brother, stay, brother.
Swamiji.
Father, you keep this.
Oh my God. Take care of the children for some time. Your boy has been hounded by the girl spirit.
See, why you're telling her to come?
The spirit is not a simple spirit. Until I tell you, don't let your daughter go near him, okay? If the lady comes, she'll be of a good help.
Then that spirit will come again.
She may not come to your house, but she will disturb your daughter from outside only.
Then okay, let me go. I got some work in the church.
Father,
Don't worry, my son. Christ will protect you and your family. We'll go.
Okay, come, let's go. Let's go.
Don't worry. I'll come back.
okay, Father.
Okay,
What?
Let's go.
Tell me
come
what?
with me, I'll tell you.
Even after a struggle, it has been sent out.
Who sent her?
Me? You also.
Aren't you ashamed calling yourself a father?
Am I not looking like a father? You should understand one thing. People coming to the church trusting me and coming. It is my duty to protect them. You know?
Only keeping the cross does not make you father. You should have some blessings also. How will you do? When your girlfriend left and ran away with somebody else, you were the one who ran out of city also, isn't it?
Stop. Listen, don't remember me the things which I wanted to forget.
So?
I had already forgot
Forget
everything.
Yes, Tunjarama? Before it is dawn, you should come back home. Okay. Yeah, Mary's house only. I shall not tell, but you should not tell also. Okay, shall I keep the phone?
If you want to come, I'll drop you at the junction.
Why, you want me to ditch me on the way? No, you can go. I'll go all by myself. Don't worry about me.
Come.
Yeah, you can go, man. Go.
Oh, see, listen, I'm a church father, not your friend.
So, you want me to call you a father? Go away from here, man. Go. Make it fast, man.
Brother, come, let's go. Brother, start the vehicle. Talking to you is of no use.
Be careful when you're taking him. Listen,
What?
be careful of the cops on the way. Cops are checking fathers only
Shut
nowadays.
your filthy mouth. That's enough.
That's
why
okay.
you're wandering on the street.
Okay, you may go now. Go.
What happened?
Now listen. Try to reach there on time and try to get all the money we need to take from them. Okay, don't waste the time and try to come back fast. Why are you loitering on the street without any job to be done? There is nothing less in your laughter, man. Get in, man. We'll try to go there fast. Get in.
coconut and
We'll
fruits are
see.
yet to be
Okay, I'll
taken.
keep everything inside. Don't worry. You go.
Swamiji, you're not coming?
I need to meet somebody here. You go.
Okay, Swamiji.
Who's this knocking like that? Yeah, coming. Who are you? Hello? Hey, man. Stand there. What are you looking there? Is it your house? Hello? I am asking you, you're not answering me.
Hey,
Hey, Sudhir? Hey, someone came here. Come here. Look at that. He is standing and sleeping. Hello? Ask him who
Stop,
is
buddy.
he.
He's a Swamiji, it seems.
He is some fraud, came to cheat, and you believe that. Like that, other people will say, but I won't say, sir.
where is she?
Who?
The girl who is with you, where is she?
Now I know. This is all that man's setup. Okay, where is other people?
We have already told lot of times, there is no girl here.
You can't cheat me like you've been cheating other people. I have come here only after knowing that somebody else is here. She's only visible to you. She's not visible to anybody else. Where is she?
Swamiji, we are telling you, right? No girl is here.
The Almighty has come over here and given this plate to you.
Which mother?
This plate? How you got this?
You have very limited time. I'm again warning you. Call her. Call her now.
I will call her. Hey, dear lady spirit. Come out. Where
Hey.
are you?
Hey, where are you?
Spirit. Hey, spirit buddy.
Where is she?
I can't find her here.
Hey, where is Stephen? He's not seen.
Yeah, he's also missing. Just call him.
Yeah, wait, I will dial.
Here he is coming.
Here he is. Where were you, man?
I was in auntie's flat.
Where is that girl?
That girl was here only. Who is this old man? Your relation or what?
He is here to meet that girl.
Oh, that's girl's relative.
As you are here in this apartment, she would have disappeared. I'll call her again, okay? Little Spirit.
After death, this spirit go out for salvation. That is why in every community there is a prayer after death. Our body is just a nest, but the life in it is very precious, very sacred.
See, Swami, what I heard was when humans become ghosts, then they will start hurting and disturbing people.
Like there are good people and bad people, there are good spirit and bad spirit also. She is a good spirit. She did not disturb anybody till the time she was alive. And all those good habits are now making her a good spirit.
But one thing, she has forgotten everything. Name, place, and everything she has forgotten. How this would have happened?
Even I am not able to understand that. I have seen spirits which are unable to cover and I have sent them also. I have given peace to many people also. And what to do with this girl, I am not able to come to a conclusion.
So for however long I am here, I have to be like this without knowing anything about myself,
The
is
God
it?
has sent me and these people for you only. Don't worry, God will definitely help you. You just forget everything. There is a remedy for every trouble.
Ah!
Hey, bros, come! Come
on,
fast!
come
What happened?
What happened for you?
What happened to you?
Come on, tell me
What happened?
for you?
See this?
Tell me.
Hey, see what she's doing.
What happened? What happened?
Come on.
Suddenly she's become like this.
Why is
What
she
happened?
behaving
What
like this?
happened?
What happened?
Tell me.
Stay,
Hey,
stay.
what happened?
Hey,
Why are you doing like
what
this?
happened here?
Tell me.
Come on, guys.
What happened?
Do something for her.
I don't know.
What
Tell
happened
me,
to you?
what happened for you?
Come on, open your mouth and tell me.
What happened to you?
What happened?
Hey, come on.
Hey, what is this?
What happened to you?
Tell me, what
Do
happened?
something, man. She's crying, man. Do something.
I don't know what to do for this.
Do something.
Come on, bros. Help her.
Hey, spirit girl, what happened for you? Tell me frankly.
Something happened to her. We are confused.
Just move out from here.
What happened to her? We have promised her that we will save her life. But I think it will not happen right now.
Why, Swamiji, you are keeping silent? Please tell us something. What happened?
She has been murdered. She has been tortured by somebody to her death. She had forgotten her past before her death. And that is why she doesn't remember the past.
Who would have killed her? And for what reason?
That I don't know. But I'm sure of one thing. Her body is still alive. It hasn't been spoiled either by burying or burning. It is alive somewhere. She may get peace if we destroy that body.
So till she exists,
Don't think that way. There is a way. We need to do some special prayers where she died. That may help us. Otherwise... The only remedy, he should kill him who killed her.
Hi, Da.
Hey, Don't you have respect?
Why I want to give respect? Where is my foolish brother?
Oh my god, came monkey here, right?
Hi dear, how are you?
Oh my god. How
What
many
happened?
days before you came to city? You're not even seeing me, right?
Now I am not able to tell you everything. I will tell you everything later. Here there is a big problem.
Oh yes, of course. Because your friends are not good. The problem also used to come. I know as soon you're going to come city.
Hey, not like that. You have to draw a picture. That too, a female picture.
Oh, I see. Who's that girl?
I'll tell you later. That's okay. Do you trust the ghost?
Laita. Why?
Do you fear about it?
Yes, spirit should not be feared of her.
Brother, what's the problem? Tell me in front of me.
First, my dear, relax yourself.
Tell me.
Are you relaxed?
Bro.
You have to draw the picture of her.
Who's there?
Fix your spectacle properly. Then only you can see clearly.
Now only the spirit girl has done a good job.
Shut up, man. She's already unconscious and you are criticizing her.
But she was not before like this.
Hey, are you okay? What happened? My God.
You take her to the hall, then only she
Open
will
your
get up.
eyes. Again, if you scare, I'll kill you.
Brother, ghost. Vinu, ghost.
Oh God, we know that. Don't repeat the same dialogue, okay?
Soumya, don't feel scared. I won't harm you.
This is an innocent ghost. This ghost needs our help. That's why I called you. I will tell you everything later. First, you should draw the picture of this girl. When you look at it, it should be like original.
The girl who is in this photograph is missing for a long time. 1 lakh will be rewarded for the person who identify her. If needed, we shall add the contact number also.
What an idea. Only 1 lakh rupees. Nobody will come here. Anyhow, we are mentioning amount. Then fix that about 5 lakhs.
Why 5 lakhs, man?
Anyhow, we are not going to pay. Then why can't we mention?
Okay, tell that it is correct only. Then give my number also.
Even note my number. I need a thrill.
Everything is okay, but we should put a name now.
Then I will fix a nice name for the spirit. Spritey of the sweetie. See, there is a spirit in it. And also very different name. What do you say?
Why? You can't keep a Christian name? Elizabeth, it will be correct for her.
Hey, Elizabeth is very common name,
So
man.
what about Gracie?
I don't like grease and oil.
Please don't start problems.
That you have to tell him.
Otherwise, we'll name like this. Bhavani, Parvati.
God.
How is it?
It's very
We
lousy,
don't tell
man.
name and all. If our relations saw the photo, they will confuse, right?
Yeah, you are correct.
Then we'll do one thing. Without name, we'll publish it.
If you want, I'll share in my FB. I have 2,000 friends and 7,000 followers are there. It will reach soon.
That's what's special about it. I have 5,000 friends and 10,000 followers in the Facebook.
What are you saying? Till now I didn't notice it.
That's my fake ID.
Oh, is it? What is the name?
Ashwati Achu. You don't know, na? Yesterday night I have sent something. You asked me, you didn't sleep, my dear?
You bloody bugger. That was you. Is that so? Then day before yesterday also you sent some photos and messages.
That was me only.
You lousy idiot. You Hey, why are you creating
Hey,
such
leave it.
noise pollution, man? Keep quiet and come.
Brother,
No.
if a vehicle comes, I'll sit in the front.
What are you saying? Wherever we go, I only need the front
If I
seat.
sit at the back, I'll vomit.
What rubbish is saying? How will spirit will vomit? Hey, spirit buddy, day by day you are doing too much. Be careful.
That may be a last wish. Fulfill it.
Even these two.
Hey, how much time he will take now?
In our country, we have to wait for everything. It's all because of you, idiot. Leave it.
Okay,
let us come.
Okay, my front seat is ready. How you got inside before the vehicle comes? Please get down. Get down.
Please, brother, I'll vomit if I sit at the back. Till today, I have never sat at the back. Understand?
Oh, you are talking very sentimentally and giving me a psychological treatment. I won't accept anything. I am so different. Lying that you will vomit if you get the back seat. Lady, lying spirit, lady, get down immediately. Get down. Oh, you are using that power. Get down immediately. Open the door immediately. I will kill you. Get down.
Hey, why you are so violent? Be calm.
I already mentioned her. No, I need the front seat. But she is.
Hey, pull him
open
inside
the
the
door.
car.
Shut up the mouth and get into this car.
Okay, I will catch you later.
Poor brother.
Go, you start the car.
Sir, I know one mental hospital doctor. Shall I drive straight to him?
If it is happening like this, then the vehicle has to go there only.
Brother, you start the car.
Hey, Vino, ask her to don't talk to me or else I will become a murderer.
Why everybody are sitting in the back? Front seat is vacant. No, come here.
There is a ghost in front. Do you want me to sit on her head?
Hey, please
Where
sit
is the
inside.
ghost? Oh, you're going to the peak.
Serious for your family and you.
Please be silent.
What is
Silent, be silent.
Please, sir.
Will you come and sit in the front? Brother, please stop. I have apologized to you so many times.
I don't want to hear anything. Do you know I am a perfect gentleman even though I believed you. But you ditched me.
When we go back, you can sit in the
Oh
front.
my dear, I don't want any favor from your side. I know where to sit. Bloody lying ghost. I didn't find any wrong in killing you.
In this scene, Ramesh is doing, he's forcing his sister to go and join the militants group. This is the first scene we will take.
So what about Geeta?
Geeta and Radhakrishnan are planning to cheat Sudhir, okay?
Hello, will all these things happen?
Who said it will not happen? In my own uncle's home it has happened. That's why uncle has home arrested for more than 10 days.
See,
Yeah,
I don't
good.
know anything. Do as you like.
Huh? What? Is it all okay?
Hello,
Ah.
sir.
I warned you, don't follow me.
You said all things right.
If you follow me again, I won't spare you.
I only said that I will vomit if I sit at the back.
Don't lie again
This
and
is
again.
our
I told
Iqbal,
you.
right? What happened to him?
Driver told while getting in the vehicle itself he is behaving mysterically.
Hello. That's nothing. Today is his girlfriend's death anniversary. Because he proposed her, that girl committed suicide. That's all. That's why on that day he
Please,
becomes like a
brother.
madman. Isn't it?
Yeah. Last year also he was talking like this only.
Sorry, brother.
Keep your sorry with you.
Even the lizard is reacting.
That's not.
Actually,
it's a spark.
I mentioned you before itself.
He will definitely make a
Intolerable.
mess of
It's
it.
intolerable.
This is our film story.
I won't accept it.
Blockbuster. What do you
After
say?
this, I will listen only to you, brother.
You have to listen me or else I kill you.
Buddy, please stop this.
What happened?
Everyone was listening to you. Listen here. He doesn't have any sense. And you are also behaving like him. Do one thing. Stay away from here. Else go somewhere, okay? If not, they will tie him here. Come
Tell
on,
her.
buddy. Hey,
Go away from
come
me.
on, man. Shut your mouth.
Hey, cut. What Ashok? Why are you doing like this? This is not a cricket bat. What are you doing here? I will show you. See here? Dig like this, throw here. Dig like this, throw here. Dig like this, throw here. Like this only you have to do. My old memories are back. Hey, don't go take man. I'm coming.
Hey, what you doing here? They're searching you there.
Someone's following me there.
Coming behind you? Who is that?
Some ghost. Because of him, I'm hiding out here. I saw a man here. After I looked at him, I kept remembering something.
Who is that?
That man.
Why are you defending, man? Give a good shot. If I were there means I would have been hit 5 sixes.
Do you know how to play this game?
What do you think about me? If I entered into the ground means only sixes,
Oh.
no fours. No
Hello,
one can find
tell
the
me
ball.
whatever you want. How much money it will take? I will give you. Don't worry. How much you want? You keep the phone. I said you keep the phone. You're talking too much. Bastard. You don't know full about me. Who I
Give
am.
it to me. Give it to me.
Hey.
You bloody dash. Do you know who am I, you bloody idiot? First cut the phone. You lousy idiot. Who was that?
The photo of her which we sent in the WhatsApp, one of the guy called us.
Even I also received so many calls. One guy want to marry her and also asked her number. What is he thinking? Am I a marriage broker?
Definitely. You look like that only.
First I have to kill you, man.
Keep quiet, yaar.
Hey, we couldn't say like that. Let's see. Soumya? Yeah, they are here. 1 second. Hey, buddy, Soumya is online. You haven't picked the call.
Phone is in the room. Yeah, tell me.
How many times I used to call?
Tell me the matter.
I want to talk about that ghost girl.
What about her?
I thought she is standing in the bus stop and I continue talking with her.
I see.
What she wear the same dress, same material, same color.
Ha, there are thousands of dresses like that.
That is also correct. But two people are wearing the same kind of dress.
Where did you see them?
After completing my class.
Okay. Soumya saw two girls in her dress and same color.
Will it be a college uniform?
Hey, there is no college uniform in this city, man.
If he says means it will be correct because he knows all the ladies' college in the city.
Do you remember anything?
No, but during the shooting, I started to recall some memories.
What do you remember?
What I remembered, I have forgotten.
You forgot it so quickly? We are in this place. We'll go and see the place Soumya said. We may sometimes get a clue. Huh?
What happened?
I think someone is calling me.
That may be your thought. You come, let's start playing.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I command you to leave this house now. Leave now. This is not your home. Leave. And you, what are you still doing here? Leave. Go with her. Leave now. You don't belong here either. Leave. What? Leave now.
Sir, we didn't expect that you will be this kind of person.
Don't call me sir. Just call me Sam.
English?
Correct.
Yeah, very well.
Okay, are you a tantric?
Well, I'm doing research on paranormal activity in India.
We asked that uncle, but he said nothing is like that.
Well, they don't know what I'm doing. Normal people don't believe in these things. So you guys, don't tell them.
You're right. Initially, these guys also didn't believe it. They believed only after seeing her only.
How come you believed in all these supernatural things?
Matata. Okay, come with me. Let me show you something. Okay, guys, as I already told you, I'm a paranormal investigator. Paranormal investigation is all about ghost hunting, whereby we visit and investigate places that are reported to be haunted by ghosts. To be able to investigate this dead, living, invisible souls, we need some electronic devices. See, this here is an electromagnetic field meter. It detects electromagnetic fields often carried by ghosts. This is an infrasound monitoring device. We use it to assess the level of sound vibration.
Why you are taking that?
So remember, guys, ghosts are dead living souls that can speak but cannot be heard. See, guys, the machine beeps now when she got into the room because she is here. The spirit is here. But you must understand, this machine is supposed to beep even when the spirit is at a far distance. But it only beeps now when she is close because she is a good spirit. This is the reason why my holy cross to chase the spirit didn't work on her.
Maybe she's a Hindu spirit. That's the reason she hasn't faded off.
No, spirits don't have religions. This holy cross will destroy any evil spirit.
That Baba Sami also told the same thing, right?
Who is Baba Sami?
Please be seated, sir.
As I told you on the other day, she has been haunted by a evil spirit. And yesterday was the beginning of that. Had this guy not come here in on time, she would have taken her away also.
Why?
To make their own army. Army of devils.
Disturbances of spirits?
We may not know, but plenty of things are happening around. There are thousands of things which have been happening around us plenty of times, happening around us every minute. And one from that is the girl spirit standing here.
I travel to lots of countries for research and I've seen lots of spirits, but this is a different experience.
The evil spirits have come to know about her staying here, and this may lead to troubling her again and again. Don't worry, I have a right person for that.
Hey buddy, Soumya is calling. She again saw that girls. If you go, we can catch them. Let's
Shall
go.
we?
Yeah, let's go. Shall we take leave, Swamiji?
Just take care of him.
Huh? Did you see these girls?
Excuse me, shall I ask you one thing? Do you know this girl?
No, we don't.
But she's also wearing the same dress like you.
This is the uniform of our workplace. We just joined our workplace a few days back. Maybe she used to work there before us. We don't know. Come.
Hey, we are not going to do a super CID work.
Yes.
Yes. We will definitely rock.
Hey, why did they come in search of her? Where she would have gone?
Why should we bother?
Listen, I'm going to tell you some important things. Rule number 1, look here. Many girls are working here. Even if you see this type of statues, you should not show your behavior. You should behave decently, okay?
Okay, man.
What do you want, sir?
Oh my god, it is so colorful. Nice collections. Wife is coming.
Hey, shall we tell him about the photo?
No. If we tell him, he'll kill us. It's enough if we know.
But who is he?
Maybe it's the CBI.
Where are you, dear? I am waiting for you. Where? In first floor. I am coming right now.
How much? Okay, take it.
Come. This is that shop. Before they see all of you, me, Stephen and she will go inside the shop. Come.
For going inside, you should be brainy, man.
Let them go, man.
Steve.
Brother, I know this place. I used to work here. Her name is Meera. We used to work here together.
But both of them said they don't know you.
They only told about that man.
Hey! What are you doing here? The customers have come. Go and attend them now immediately. Where are the other guys?
Do you know him?
Sushil sir. He's the manager. This shop belongs to his wife.
Hey, you know all the things. What's your name? Tell us.
Huh?
Lashmi, Sushila sir is calling you. I think some problem. He is so upset. Okay, I'm starting.
So, you are here. Hey, what's your problem? Why do you hesitate when I call you? Hey, what are you looking at me? Answer me. I heard that you're going to quit this job and go to Women Welfare Commission for giving a complaint against me. This is all happening because I'm giving you good money every month.
Because we are suffering at home, we are coming here to work for you. Please don't think we will be with you, okay?
Oh my God, you're talking as if a very honest lady. Listen to me. I heard about you from everybody and only then I gave you a job here. Look, you will think of going to the court and giving a case against me. But now, you can never go against me giving a case in the court. Your brother has already taken an advance for 3 months and only then he left you here for the job. If you want to go from here, give me the interest and the principal of that money. Then you can go wherever you want to go. Listening to what you have told, he should be with that guy.
Even I think the same.
Do you remember anything after that?
No. However much I think about this, I'm not able to remember.
You spoke to that man? She was working here long ago. She ran away with a bus cleaner around 1.5 years ago. She is somewhere in Madurai or Coimbatore, they told me. But why are you searching her now? Has she run away with somebody else?
What you're talking? We don't understand.
She's a #1 criminal lady. Even I thought of sending her away, but she ran away before that. I heard that guy sold her in Bombay somewhere. I think she should have enjoyed her time as a star in Bombay also.
No. Please come.
Okay, would you like to have something?
No, okay. It's okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
He is the only one who killed the Lakshmi.
You will have to revenge for this. Are you really ready for that?
Oh my God, I'm so scared of that man.
Fear is not going to help you. If you need peace for your spirit, you will have to revenge him.
But the other day you said that once if we bury her body only, her spirit will get satisfied, you said.
Yes. He is a very clever man. How will he tell the truth to anybody else?
For that, we'll do something.
Finally, we came to know her name, Lakshmi, Lachu. Hereafter, no need to call her a spirit.
Even though the spirity of the sweetie is a suitable name because it was kept by me. What do you say?
We should make that guy to say all the truth first of all.
How is that?
Then we should play a game.
What game?
By seeing, we can surely say he's a fraud.
Same like you.
Shut up your mouth. It's not like that. For hunting a tiger, we keep a goat, right? We should catch him in an instance.
He's a very sharp man. We cannot catch him easily.
Let's see. If he is trying to cheat us, let us also do in the same way.
Hey, got it.
We got the details. But she's not even saying anything. And sentimentally, I was talking with her. She said, I know. Lashmi, you passed 1.5 years before. Your brother filed a complaint in police station that you are missing. That manager disturbed you a lot. She is saying like that.
All of that I can remember.
If he is responsible for Lashmi's death, he must be knowing where the body is. Not only that, the complaint given for Lashmi's missing is still live.
If Stephen knows the truth, it will be much difficult to make him to say the truth.
As already we planned, right? How is that?
No, all that isn't needed. What if something happens to Soumya?
Nothing will happen to me. I have 4 brothers near to me. Then how come?
No
But
changes.
still.
As we planned, we are going to abduct him. What do you say?
I thought you should be angry with me.
Angry, that to me. I have lot of affection on you.
Oh, I'm not able to bear it. Oh, were you not scared to come alone?
I never came alone.
Then?
Okay, leave him.
Who are you, man? What do you want? Hey, you don't know anything about me.
You don't know about us also. Shut your mouth.
Even after getting this much beatings, he doesn't know us.
You're all from CBI?
Yes, we are
Yes,
from.
we are from CBI.
Central
my
Bureau of
God.
Investigation.
Sir. Oh my God. Who is he?
He's from FBI.
Oh my God. Why do you want to call police from America and all? Police have been inquiring regarding that girl to me a lot of times. I've gone to the court and come a lot of times also. And now after the police, you people are coming for inquiry. I swear and tell you that she's not
Hey,
a
man.
good girl. Oh my God. Sorry. She's really a good girl. She had run away with unknown criminal guy, I think.
Hey, don't try to lie.
Huh?
We know what you have done for her. You have killed her. That's the truth.
Oh, but when? Huh?
That day night,
Huh?
in the shop, you pulled a hand.
She pushed you back, I know.
In return, you pushed her. She hit on the wall.
Once you came to know that she is no more, you hided her body somewhere. And that's
That's
the
not
truth.
true. Who told you all these things?
She only.
What?
Hey, listen, we are CBI. We know everything. We want that
Uh,
body in any case. That's why we have arrested you.
Oh my
You
God.
bloody-
That's a steel rod. Oh, leave me. I'll tell the truth. I promise. I swear I'll tell the truth. Please leave me. I'll tell the truth. After I hit her, she fainted down. I was scared after seeing that. Only at that time the devil came into the shop.
Who was that?
My wife.
Oh, is it?
Yes. I then took the girl and locked her into a room. After locking, I gave the key to the security and went out with my wife. At night when I came at 10 or 10:30, she regained consciousness and the security opened the door and she left away.
Now, where is that security?
I think the security...
Tell me the rest.
Security died a few days back of heart attack.
Don't lie, tell the truth.
No, I'm not telling them.
Brother, whatever he is saying correct.
Whom are you speaking to? Who is standing there?
Your grandma. I'll kick you, man.
Now we are leaving you. After you will repeat this.
You just escaped. We are going. Look at his funny face.
So that door also closed.
We can't come to conclusion. Now we know her name and other facts of her life. Now if we know about her family, then the other rites can be completed. And if we could do that, your spirit will be relaxed.
How she will get it?
From her house only. Listen, do you know anything about your house?
We got Lakshmi's house address. Tomorrow, we all will go there.
Where is it?
It's near Kerala Tamil Nadu border, Vallur village.
When you're going, take her with you. Maybe she can recollect something after seeing them, okay? Okay, let's hope for the best. God is great.
Okay, then bye, Samiji.
You just be careful, okay?
You definitely need this one. Hello? How long we will wait for 2 dosas, man?
Do you think I'm working here?
Then what? You look like a collector or what? Leave it, man, let him go.
Did you finish?
Hello, I said you to bring pancake.
You need pancake?
Hey!
Hey, bro, what happened?
He's calling me as a baron.
Hey!
Oh, man!
Hey! Hey! Leave it,
Who are you? Huh?
Don't leave.
Who are you?
Leave it. Hey!
Don't spare them.
Hey! Hey, hey,
Hit it,
go
hit
man, go. Get lost. Go.
Get out.
Go. Hey.
Get lost.
Super boy, super. Hey.
Hey, what happened?
Hey.
Boss, this vehicle came for shooting. Please return it safely. If the producers knows, my neck won't be there.
Your neck only, right? No problem for us.
Is that so? I want this.
I need this.
I will see this. You go.
This is the vehicle. In most of the cinemas and serials, they use this vehicle for the tour program. Even we are also going in this.
Shut up your mouth and sit here.
Okay. Huh? You don't want front seat right now?
No, brother. I will sit here.
What, Lachu? You're looking so dull.
That is, she is going to our home, right? So only tension.
You should be happy when you go home.
I don't even know who will be there.
Don't worry. Everything will be alright soon.
I
Okay?
have exams. Otherwise, I used to come with you.
It's very good you are not coming there. Hey, shall we start the journey?
Okay.
Hey, you go to the room and study. Tomorrow you have exam.
Okay.
Right,
Don't play
right.
with your mobile.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
let's go, friends.
Bye. Take
Okay,
care.
okay.
Bye.
Come on, get down.
Hey, come on, guys.
Hey, Lakshmi, what happened?
I think there it is.
Let's see.
Come fast. Did you heard what my sister told?
English medium. Will this work out?
You both see, I will get a good job and support you both.
Hey, be careful. You will be fall down. After this condition, I didn't go to job. Now this family is running only because of her earning.
She went to work to put a stop to our problems. But then what did she do? She became friendly with one person and ran away with him.
We shouldn't say like that. Still, we don't know anything about
You
her.
don't say anything. You are talking like this because you don't know about her. Even I have a daughter. I am not able to do any good things for her. Do you know how much money we need for his medicines? She told me that if she goes to the city for a job, she will get a lot of money and our problems will be over. But what did she do?
Please be quiet.
Oh,
She is her classmates. She did a mistake. But you should not blame her repeatedly.
that means I have done the mistake. He is always finding fault with me. You know how much problems I am facing here? There is no one to realize my problems. Eat fast. It's all my fate.
Very poor. She is struggling a lot. Don't mind her. Our family was a very dignified family. Everything was broken in a fraction of a second. Health, wealth, happiness, everything was there. Please have your tea. This route is very long. You go this way, okay?
Bro, if you go this way, it's a shortcut. We'll go this way.
Whom do you ask?
They told like that.
Take your tea.
Hey, idiot.
What?
Just you go there.
Oh,
What are you
sorry,
doing?
I forgot it.
Go.
Idiot.
Stupid.
Hey man, stop the vehicle, man. It's very urgent. Stop it, please.
Hey Lakshmi, when did you come?
Huh? Thomas' brother, right?
So you have not forgotten me. They told me that you run away with somebody else.
Even I've heard of that. Now tell me, what happened to you?
I committed suicide 3 months ago. I lost my land and then my wife. I struggled a lot, but I lost.
And then what happened?
I took some loan from the bank also, but even I lost that money. I couldn't even collect 50% of it. Finally, court case went up to seizing the land.
And then?
I took some loan for fighting the case also. Interest on that, cumulative interest on that, and there was always fight in my house. When she found that I could do nothing, she took her child and ran away with somebody else. Then I thought there is no fun in living anymore. I took her old sari and committed suicide. Okay, you didn't go back home after that?
Just now I came back from there. Where are you going now?
My son will be coming back from the school now. He's studying in a school nearby only. Sometimes whenever I feel, I come and see him and go. But she never came when I died. Nobody did the rites also for me. That is why I'm loitering as a spirit.
To whom you are talking with?
My neighbor who died some time back.
This place is surrounded by spirits, it seems. I already told you. How long it is, man?
By seeing board only I came in this route, man.
Then we would have taken the wrong route.
See, nobody is here to inquire. Hey, stop the vehicle. Lakshmi is missing.
Hey, what happened?
Till now she is here only. Then where she went? Hey, she is there.
There she is. What, Lakshmi? What happened for you?
Brother, I know this place very well. I've passed by this place many times. Near this place, I remember that my friend's house is there. Both of us used to go together to work. I passed by this place the last time when I was alive. But I only remember coming till here.
If so, Lakshmi should have died somewhere here.
Okay, but how to find it?
Hey, shall we ask the Sam about this one? He has a mission, right? We can find easily.
That's right.
What, Sam? Your mission is not working, huh?
Be quiet, it's beeping. Be quiet, I hear something. Okay, we are close. You stay here.
Who are you, sir? What do you want?
What place is this?
This is a godown, locked from so many days.
Who are you?
I am security, sir. What do you want? Please tell me that.
For movie shooting, we came here, friends. Just seeing the locations around here. It's really superb.
Oh, you are cinema people. Tell me that.
Shall we get a permission for this?
That you have to ask our owner, sir.
Hey, what is this, man? You haven't wiped the board also. Clean it. Good morning.
Hello,
I am the owner of this place. Are you cinema people?
Yes.
It's an English movie?
Yeah, it's a Hollywood movie. That's the location. We need a godown right now.
Oh my god. This is all in case. My in-laws have taken a stay for this. And it's almost closed for past 5 years.
Don't tell like that. He
on,
is
man,
so
you try
wealthy. You can earn more money so that you can win the case. Okay?
Is it so?
There is no problem here. Just open the door. See? He has came from the Hollywood.
Okay. Ganesh?
Yes, boss.
Huh? What is that? We used to keep some dry fish here. That is why it is stinking a lot. And nothing can be done for that. But you can see this place is very beautiful. All because of my in-laws. Otherwise, this place would have been like a palace.
Bro,
Yes?
what is that?
That's our old godown. We are not using that. It is closed.
Can we have a look at that place?
What's he saying?
He wants to see there.
Sir, there is nothing to see there. Nobody will go there. There is no current connection. It's your wish.
He is saying nothing is there.
What
We'll
he's
see
telling is that
afterwards.
there's nothing there. There are lots of snakes and lizards lying around there. Hey, just stay for a minute. I've acted in plenty of plays here.
Oh.
Tell them and get me a character also in this movie. My company is totally lost. If you give me some money, I'll pay for my labor over here. That is why I asked you, can you give me a character?
Chance. We will give a chance. Come in.
That's enough. That's more than enough. If you tell me, I believe you. Now I'll work for that.
There is something wrong with that place. It's not only Lechu. There are several other deaths which took place at that very location. Because I could feel a negative energy there, I am very sure. Lechu's dead body is hidden somewhere there, and also the culprit.
But how to find out? Whom should we suspect? If we do any mistake, the original culprit will escape.
Lakshmi, do you remember anything?
So, someone is there.
Yes, maybe it's a serial killer.
Even police didn't get any clue. What can we do?
I have an idea. By showing a goat, we can hunt a tiger.
Didn't get you.
I understand. What we did for manager.
Correct.
That will be much risk. We have to think about some other way.
Don't be feared. We will send Soumya in the same route where Lakshmi went. We will secretly follow Soumya. We will definitely catch him.
Whatever it is, we should not leave him alive. A person who do not respect women should not live on this earth.
From past 2-3 days we are waiting here. There is no one around here.
The killer also doesn't like this girl. What we can do?
If in your apartment means we would have been drunk and slept now.
You just see and this talk, my dear friend. Ta-ta-time. La 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 la.
Hey, how do you got? Give it to me. If they knows me, they will finish it. Darling, I missed you from past 3 days.
Just give Sam too.
No need. He will create unnecessary scenes. I'm going to drink on the rock. What is this, buddy? This is hot water.
What are you saying?
Better you can go for a hot water in the night.
Oh God. If the killer kills her, I will definitely come and pray with the candles for you.
Amen.
Soumya, it's time.
Soumya, be careful. I feel very afraid.
Don't worry, nothing will happen for me.
Okay, move. Be safe. Go behind her. Be careful.
Somebody should come today.
Do you think even now he come?
If didn't come,
Okay, then we will search.
Where's the loo? I want to go for a leak.
Sam, open air, open air. Open air.
beware of
Are you guys
insects.
not going to wait for me?
Yes, we always wait. This is American English. It will be like that.
Who are you, man? I am seeing you 2-3 days. You are roaming here only.
Listen, don't try to make a trouble here, okay? We are here for an important work.
Bro, these were the guys better in the hotel.
Who dared to touch my boys here?
We have come
You
here
don't
for
know
an
who I am.
important work. We'll settle everything by talking.
So please,
Hey,
come on,
boss
guys.
man.
Listen,
Hey,
listen,
don't,
try
hey,
to-
you're
don't
touching
keep-
here.
Yeah, come
Hey,
on, listen.
don't
Hey,
touch
don't touch me.
How can you touch me?
Hey,
Hey,
you
hey,
bloody-
hey,
what are you doing?
I will show you.
Coming to say-
Hey, leave my hand.
Hey,
Hey, I will kick you, man.
hey,
I will punch you. Leave me.
Vino,
Hey,
no.
see,
Hey, leave him. Hey,
No.
I said leave him. Hey, don't hold his hand.
Hey, come on, guys. Come on.
Hey, come on. Our
Come
hero
on,
has
come
come.
here.
Come.
Our
You
Sam
wanna
brother
fight?
is
Come
here.
on.
You can fight now.
Come on.
You fatty.
I will show you.
Come. You can
Come
fight.
on, come on, come on.
Our
Yeah.
hero has
You're ready.
come.
You're ready to
Come,
fight.
come,
now.
Come on.
Come on.
Yeah,
Hey, there you are going. Hey,
Hey,
come on.
let's go. Here.
Hey,
Hey, leave him. Hey,
Come
hey.
on. Hey, no.
Hey,
come on.
run. Hey.
Hey, please, don't leave me. Why are you looking? Please come and hit him. You spirit, come and hit him, idiot. my dear, are you sleepy? A girl like you should not travel alone in the night. The world is too bad. To wake you up, shall I tell a story, huh? There is a village in Tamil Nadu named Selimbati. In that village, there was a man named Ganesha. He doesn't have father. He have only mother. He loved his mother like anything. She was a goddess to him. After his mother, he loved a girl. Her name is Mallika.
Hey buddy, new movie has got released. Let's go and see.
Mother is not well. I have to go and take care of her.
Hey look, Mallika is coming.
She is the beautiest girl in this village.
This girl, she's from a rich family. They will kill you.
Hey, shut up, man. She's coming here. Hey.
Hey, she's crying.
She has fallen down, right? That's why it's paining.
Nothing happened, man. Boss, this is his home.
What is it? He is my son.
You son of a bitch!
After this, no one dared to touch our Mallika.
Hey, no!
Mother.
Leave him!
Mother!
Till culprit.
I
You want
don't
our
understand,
girl?
Sir, why are you hitting me?
Come with us.
Sir, leave me.
Boss, he's the one.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, father.
You son of a bitch! How dare you can come and look at my daughter?
I am.
Get up, idiot.
Take him out of the town.
Oh my god! My god! My god! Hey, Ganesh!
After the carnival, we'll think of the marriage.
Oh, okay, uncle.
Where is Mallika?
She's inside.
Uncle, that boy's mother died. The dead body is in the street. What do you want me to do?
Burn her. You have garbage on the side of the road, throw the body and burn it.
Oh no, don't do like that. We will have to suffer then.
Mind your word. You don't give me suggestions. If I do this only, people will fear for me.
What uncle said was right, auntie. After this, no one dared to touch our Mallika.
Okay. Do the job I told you.
David, come.
Mother. My mother. My mother. What happened to her? What happened to my mother? Mother!
You have come here, is it? Get out now! No, don't come near me. Get lost. Haven't you had enough?
My mother is innocent. I want to know why you killed her! Without wrong intention, I touched you. That's why it's big punishment, right? Now I will touch you intentionally. Let's see what you will do.
Leave me! Leave me now! Get lost! Get lost! While I'm still alive, you cannot touch me.
Better you die! You said I cannot touch you when you are alive. Now see? You killed my mother! Dear.
This is my story. I hope now you understood about Mallika. You have to go and tell how I loved her. I won't forget her till my death. I have a little job to do. I will finish that and come. You sleep. We are going to leave from here. Some other girl came here. I can't accumulate all the girls. Don't mistake me, huh? After going to heaven, you should convey my regards to Mallika, huh? So come, dear. We will go. Come. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What happened to you, my darling? Is that so paining? Tell me, is that so paining to you? Huh? See. I am here. Don't worry of anything, okay? Hey! Hey dear, you don't like me? Why are you going away from me? You bloody bitch! I won't leave you! I'll kill you! she's here.
Hey! Don't leave them! Hey! Where are you going? Cowards! Hey! Cowards! Where are you going? Running!
Come back!
I will punch you! Hey! Hold them!
Run!
Hey! Run! Go!
Get off, man!
Hey, come in front of me. Come immediately.
Where is Soumya? Hey, tell me, where is she?
Sam is behind the Soumya.
Then where is Lakshu?
Hey guys, come on! Let's go!
Okay, come on.
You just go and see there.
Come.
Come on.
Lakshmi? Hey, Stephen! Hey, guys, where are you?
Hey,
What's the matter?
Yeah, Lakshu.
Why she's lying down?
Hey, who is he?
He's the
This man.
watchman.
What he is doing here?
How come he is here?
Also died.
It's really...
What's that sound?
See, he's bleeded.
Horn it sings. Come.
Who is there?
Come, let's
Come on,
go.
let's go and see. Come on!
Come on.
Lakshu, you are here?
Who is this girl?
She is not alive.
Please inform that holy man that I have finished everything.
Then you only killed him?
Yes, brother, that's him. Not only me, but also a lot of other girls like me.
What are you saying?
Oh my god. This guy must be a necrophiliac, a psychic disorder.
What does that mean?
It's a sexual attraction towards corpses, like having sex with dead bodies. Some psychos go to graveyards or mortuaries. Some kill to use the body and leave it there. In this case, he is clever. He kills and preserves the body for future use.
So we have to pass this information to Lakshu's family and also to the police, right?
No need, brother. There's no need for anyone to know anything. Not only me, but a lot of other girls like me. He has murdered. He has finished them. If all this information goes out, the other families won't be able to bear the pain.
Instead of that, the parents should know the daughter's life very well. Suppose it's leaked out, the parents won't allow the daughter outside of the home.
Now what can we do right now?
Without informing anyone, please send me on my way.
Where?
In that dilapidated house, that fellow has kept my body in the freezer. Please burn the body.
Are you crazy, Lakshmi? No need of that. We'll do some rituals like Swamiji said. That is the right thing.
No need, brother. Like me, there are other girls also. Burn my body along with theirs. This is my last wish. That day you asked me, right, brother? What my last wish is?
Hey,
So you wanna fire with him?
Yes, along with his body, burn mine.
Lakshu, finally it's time for you to leave.
Thank you all very, very much. Let this ghost girl go, brother.
You will be always with us.
Okay, then I'll go and come.